So the next one I see here at the Ford dealership is this Thunderbird here, which I think is a really cool vehicle. By the way, the noise you hear there is my Mustang there having the fans on because it's hot. I'm gonna get out of here soon too. I don't want to bug people on their calm Sunday. Anyways, this Thunderbird here just stuck in my eye because it's here at the Ford dealership in the lot behind the building where usually the cars are that in need of repair, or the not so nice ones. Looks like they're working on this one. I'm not gonna touch it, I never do that, but we'll just have a look at it. Look at the interior, it's pretty beautiful. Obviously someone owns this and loves it and takes care of it, and I'll have to find out why it's in here and what they're fixing on it. That'd be interesting to know. Anyways, I want to share it with you. Beautiful Thunderbird. I'll find out the year and I'll let you know. This color I think is not original, but it looks good. The wheels, not original either. I'm not a huge fan, but they're alright. But I'm a huge fan of this mirror here. Look at that design. That's some cool stuff. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed it. Please leave me a like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.